Electrophilic substitution reactions of haloarenes. Haloarenes are compounds containing electron-rich aromatic ring. So, electrophilic substitution reaction takes place easily. Halogen atoms present in haloarenes are ortho-para-directing because of some resonating structures. Okay, let us draw the resonating structures of haloarenes. First structure. Okay. Next. These are the different resonating structures of haloarenes. Okay, we can say that in these resonating structures, the electron density at the ortho and para positions are high. So, the electrophiles can easily come and attack on the ortho and para positions. Okay, so these halogen atoms present are ortho-para directing group. Also, we can see that this halogen atom is highly electronegative. So, there will be minus I effect. Okay. Due to minus I effect, the electron, these halogen atoms have a tendency to withdraw electrons from the aromatic ring. As a result of this, the electron density of the aromatic ring decreases. So, compared to benzene, these are less reactive towards electrophilic substitution reactions. But under drastic conditions, the electrophilic substitution reaction takes place. Okay, let us discuss one by one. First one is halogenation reaction. Halogenation. First one. Here, for example, chlorobenzene on reaction with chlorine. The reaction takes place in presence of anhydrous FeCl3 or AlCl3. Okay. So, the reaction takes place although para substituted products are obtained. Ortho product will be minor. This is ortho dichlorobenzene and para dichlorobenzene. Okay. This is the major product. Okay. So, two products are obtained. This is the first reaction. Next, second one is nitration reaction. Chlorobenzene on reaction with concentrated nitric acid and concentrated H2SO4. Reaction takes place. Ortho-para substituted products are obtained. Ortho-nitro compound. Okay, ortho-nitrochlorobenzene will be obtained. Okay, so ortho-nitro will be the minor product and para will be the major product. Okay, this is ortho-nitrochlorobenzene. Okay, and this is para-nitrochlorobenzene. Now, third reaction, it's sulfonation reaction. Third one, sulfonation. Chlorobenzene on heating with concentrated H2SO4, ortho-para substituted products are obtained. Concentrated H2SO4 on heating. SO3H, sulfonic acid group, will be substituted at ortho and para positions. Okay. compound name is orthochlorobenzene sulfonic acid. Okay. This is the minor product, and parachlorobenzene sulfonic acid, which is the major product. Okay. Next, fourth reaction, Friedel-Crafts alkylation and acylation reaction. Friedel-Crafts alkylation first. Fourth one, Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction. Okay. Here, chlorobenzene on treatment on reaction with alkyl chloride. Alkyl chloride. Okay, this is alkyl chloride. In the presence of anhydrous AlCl3, the reaction takes place. Okay. Ortho position CH3 group gets substituted. So the compound name is orthochlorotoluene and parachlorotoluene are obtained. Okay. This product is the minor product and this will be the major product. Similarly, acetyl chloride, chlorobenzene on reaction with acetyl chloride, that is CH3COCl, presence of anhydrous AlCl3, the reaction takes place. Okay. COCH3 gets substituted in the ortho and para positions. Okay. Ortho compound will be minor one and the para compound will be major. This compound is orthochloroacetophenone. Orthochloroacetophenone and parachloroacetophenone will be obtained. These are the different products. Okay. Reaction with metals. Haloarenes on reaction with sodium metal in dry ether gives diphenyl, and the reaction is called as Fittig reaction. Okay. Fittig reaction. Two molecules of chlorobenzene. Okay. On reaction with sodium metal in presence of dry ether. Okay. Reaction takes place. Diphenyl compound will be obtained. Diphenyl and 2NaX. This reaction is called as Fittig reaction. Okay. We already studied about the Wurtz reaction, haloalkanes. Two molecules of haloalkanes on reaction, same type of reaction takes place, and the product obtained the two haloalkanes. These two alkanes fuse together and a hydrocarbon is obtained. That reaction is Wurtz reaction. So next one is Wurtz-Fittig reaction. Wurtz-Fittig reaction. Here, an aryl halide and alkyl halide on reaction. Okay, both the reaction together. So aryl halide and alkyl halide on reaction in the presence of reaction with sodium in the presence of dry ether, the reaction takes place. Okay, aryl halide with sodium in presence of aryl halide and alkyl halide, and the product obtained will be like this. Okay, plus NaX. This reaction is called as Wurtz-Fittig reaction. Okay, so instead of Rx we can use CH3Cl, so toluene will be obtained. Okay, next reaction is Ullmann reaction. Iodobenzene on reaction with sodium metal. Okay, sorry, so iodobenzene, two molecules of iodobenzene on reaction with copper powder. Okay, this is on reaction with heated with copper powder in a red hot tube. Okay, the reaction takes place. Presence of either, the reaction takes place and diphenyl is obtained. This reaction is called as Ullmann reaction. Okay, plus Cu2I2. So iodobenzene on reaction with copper powder. Okay, it is heated in a red hot tube. The product obtained is diphenyl and the reaction is called as Ullmann reaction. Okay. These are the different reactions with metals. Okay. Chemical reactions of haloarenes with metals.